how to give tickets in Apple Wallet to someone else. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to give tickets in Apple Wallet to someone else. So in order to share your tickets, you need to open the settings in your device, in your Apple device, and after that just scroll down and go to the wallet section from the list given on the left hand side of the screen. And after that, as you can see that I don't have any payment method attached to my Apple Wallet as of now. So first of all, just simply click on add card. And after that, just simply click on learn more. And here on this page, you will be able to see the option called remove a pass or ticket from the wallet app. And here on this page, when you will scroll down, you will be able to see this article which is called how to use boarding pass, ticket or other passes on your iPhone. And when you scroll down here, you will be able to see this blue link which says use express mode with some passes and ticket in Apple Wallet. So just simply click on it. And here it will show you how you will be able to share your pass or ticket in your Apple Wallet. So in order to do that, you need to first open the Apple Wallet app, and after that just simply click on pass ticket to the person that you want to share the ticket to. And after that, you will be able to see the three dot icon on the screen itself, and from there you need to click on pass detail. And once you are done entering the detail of the person that you would want to give your ticket to, and after that just simply click on share. So this way you will be able to share the tickets. So this is basically how you will be able to give tickets in Apple Wallet to someone else. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.